we're on. I'm tweeting that out on my Twitter. If you guys want the link for that, you can go to my Twitter. Okay. Also, I want to go over this really quick. Good morning, everybody. How's it going? YouTube. I will poly George's shoes. Yeah, no. Me too. All right. I'm sorry. I just wanted to go ahead and hit that. No, that's right. We don't do Lambos. I don't. You guys won't see. Someone would have to force me, like, force a Lambo into my garage. Otherwise, the fanciest vehicle I think I'll ever own is a Tesla truck. Mercedes G-Class. Wow, my fiance just popped into my office to whisper Mercedes G-Class. I'm in trouble. I'm in danger. Oh my gosh. Georgie, why are your arms so big, Georgie? That's a nice Mercedes, dude. Wow. If you guys have any requests, leave them in the YouTube channel. It'll be a little bit easier to follow those. So that's beautiful. OCUL, Ocular Therapeutics. Did you move that? Did you? Oh my God! BYND is dumping. Ratings now dropping sharply following resumption of trade. That's Petroleum Uniform FEMA. What is happening to BYND? What is happening? Short it, Georgie. No, I'm just kidding. Whoa! We just saw a. Created WHE agency. Did they have earnings this morning? Oh, I gotta turn this down and then turn this up. GROM, social media for kids under 13. Yeah, OCUL is halted. That's GROM. BYND, Beyond Meat. Yeah. Tell me what happened there, dude. Q3 net revenues. Oh, they have earnings. 106 million. That's down from the week prior guidance of 120 to 140 million. Yo, BYND is dumping. I forgot they had earnings this morning. That's what we have going on right now. Okay. Look at that. And yo, tell me that bad earnings season wouldn't cause further downside. Skills is actually looking interesting here in pre-market. I do like the breakout of the pennant, bottom right-hand corner of my screen, right there, bullish pennant, break to the upside. So at this point, the next target above us, I have it marked out as 1065. I did not know they had BYND. I did not know they had earnings either. So are you in that? I hope nobody's in that. Unless you're in puts. That's sick. I don't know. I'm seeing potential reversals today. Do I dare play square? Square below 260 today. Candle close below 260. I was gonna say, BYND has that news with McDonald's. If that's confirmed, it'll pop it right back up. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go. I might short SQ today. You said yum. Yeah. Ooh, I see. He said the terrorist. You are a digital terror. Don't bring that in here. Don't tear it. Hey, good morning. I am good. Just looking for some pre-market movers here. I see GROM. Grom. Is that the one that we were just talking about yesterday? GROM, social enterprise. It is absolutely sending it right now. It's got good pre-market volume. What is the news? You have already? Yeah, I was gonna say you're. That's amazing, dude. Yeah, I'm up to on the well, they haven't opened yet, but once I see my puts hold on 1 second. Yeah, once my puts open up, I'm gonna be up a good bit. I think Meat Barn said something about like 2000%. So but I've been so long on that. Yo, GROM, I've just tried to grab a few shares there. This one I think is social enterprise. I think this is running off of Trump stuff. The yeah, this is deep. Yeah, this is social because you're breaking right now. You're breaking. You should see 575 be trouble. You're already seeing it kind of fight back and forth. But past that, we could see GROM actually push here. It's got good volume. Let me go see if I can find any news here. Real quick, HLBZ. I'm a long holder in HLBZ. They highlighted a launch of e-scooters, e-bikes in Flint, Michigan. So just throwing that out there. GROM. 586 and 637. Grom Social reports its social media app added several new NFT safety features for parents. So I think this is running in sympathy of DWAC. All right, now that there is a lot of people hopping on, how's it going, everybody on YouTube? Keep an eye today on CRPD. CRPD. Oh, First Trust Crypto Industry and Digital Economy ETF. Sitting at $21. Wow. Oh, you did? Well, I didn't know about that one either. CRTD created. All right. Well, now I know what the crypto industry and digital economy ETF is. That's pretty cool. Social media. Oh, got you. Yeah, nice. Oh my gosh, this thing pumps and dumps. Oh, it's at 480 in pre-market. Not a big fan of that. The pump and dumpy action on the daily though. What do they do? Do you know? No, I don't. Just checking. There's one something caught my eye. Zoom, got that. Zoom video. Zoom. DWAC falling here. What did it hit? 93.60. Yep, nothing but FOMO and shorts right now up there. The only thing I'm not a big fan of is the gap, but obviously Zoom filled it up, but it did gap up. Morning, what's up, Nick? Shopify partnering with, that's right. So yesterday I actually scalped Shopify. I am eyeballing, I do have that written down for potential continuation, but we could also see a retest. You're seeing today we are going to open up at around 1475, 1478. Because of that, on Shopify, either the target to the upside is going to be 1500, 1498 or 1495, and that's obviously for a day trade. You do have earnings coming up on the 28th, so next week. And it is also, not to mention, if you look at the bottom right hand corner of my screen, in its downtrend. So I do have it currently right around there. So you could see a little pop to 15 today. I have, like I said, the 1510, $1,500 level for Shopify. And I'm keeping an eye on that downtrend. It is already bounced off of support, but again, it's up against resistance. So um, I do have a little bit of DATs, yeah. You joined a Discord, but where do you post call? That's in the premium side of the Discord. So um, PALT. Cliff Schlumberger. Ooh, what's this? Light paper crypto world thing. I don't want to sign up for that now, but that's cool. All right. Cliff, BDR, Schlumberger, and American Express all reporting earnings this morning. See how Cliff is moving. Hey, look at Cliff moving up on earnings. And with that earnings break right there, look at this downtrend here on Cliff. You're finally breaking that, what looks to be that point of control. That is the point of control right now on Cliff, which is $22. So hopefully you can hold that. You might see AA, Alcola, which has just been absolutely plummeting since earnings. Why didn't we take puts on that, y'all? Um, you might see that one rebound and go start filling gaps. You said Matt. See, I like looking at stocks that have had earnings or fall. It doesn't matter, fall or pump. My favorite is when they sit flat. You're definitely close to that level for a breakout. Absolutely. Yeah, this is exactly where I would anticipate seeing yeah, look at that. So you're right there. So 22.25. Obviously these highs of 22.75 are going to be pretty interesting. All right. Hey, what's good from Houston? What's up, Houston? Over here in Savannah, Madagascar. Um, yeah, poor souls buying DWAC at 9. Yeah, I mean, and you know what they might build like some type of FOMO pattern here. They'll tend to do that at the top. So let's see. I don't know. That could be confirmation bias, but we'll see. Maybe they bounce it at 75, 70, 65 and make it pop up to 97. We'll see what they do. Are you still holding fun, Georgie? Georgie? He must have hopped off. I know there's a lot of people hopping on. Anybody else? And ooh, Facebook price spike. Oh my God. Yo, Facebook just had a huge price spike. Uh, damn. A lot of market maker wicks on Facebook here. That's not good. That's an ugly candle to start off with. He's filling up his BMW. Facebook downside gap. Where is that gap? I don't know where the gap is. There's a small gap underneath us, 335. That gap's filled. Holy. Um, Big C. So I might actually either cut and roll out on that one, depending on the climate. But Big C is at the end of a long downtrend and sitting with a daily flag on top of that bullish moving average, the $53 zone. Uh, I'm watching it. It just pulled back nice right there at that 585. I'll look for a dip on Grom. I'll let you know. I'm watching the 1 minute here. It's got a little 1 minute downtrend it's holding, so I think it does bounce here relatively soon. Webull pre-market opens up. Our pre-market's at 4:30 Eastern time, so whatever that is out over there. All right. Okay, so Nvidia, because we have the swing. Yeah, fun did run. We had a fun run this morning. You guys should have. I said last night that more than likely, if you wanted to manage your risk on fun, you need to be up early. And that's exactly the case here. Is if you were up early, you were probably able to take some profit off the table. And I'm going to go ahead and take DWAC off of my charts, guys. I'm sorry. If you want me to look at it later, I will, but I'm not interested in it at these levels. If it goes to 150, so be it. I'll be on the sidelines doing something else. So let's see here. Lulu. I did have an eye on Lulu here this morning, but in pre-market, oh, we're opening up flat. Perfect. Yeah, so I do have my eyeballs peeled on Lulu as well, but this one's again another secondary kind of. I'm not really hyper focused on this one. Doesn't have the best setup as far as price action is concerned. You've got like a really weird pullback here, another one where it looked like you were going to potentially reverse, and then you break out from that level. So I am watching Lulu. You said AO or if Big C takes a big dip, you guys need to have a stop loss intact. If Big C does pull back, the first level is 47.18 and then 40.41. So make sure you guys know where you're going to cut. For me, I'm right below that 53 mark, and I'll probably be out of that. But okay, all right. So as you guys know, my price target on Netflix, Grom is curling right now. Grom is curling 525. Is where I would want to see that. Yeah, it does look like Christmas. Do you see that curl though, Meat Barn? So you said Upstart, correct? I'll get there. I haven't. The shit ain't kicked in yet, man. All right, so you got to set me who I am. Uh, just for a few more minutes. Okay, so first of all, I got every line in the world here on Upstart. I don't know about Upstart short. No. So, okay, yeah. So I mapped this out. I wanted to go double check. So do you see this setup right now on Upstart? You're actually forming what could end up being almost like a flag type setup. Anywhere above on Upstart 362, 85, with good volume, a good push that would be coming off of support. You could see 379, depending on the timing, 377, somewhere in that range. That is where I see your resistance above you. So I also will be focused on the Webull account today. So if you have a small account, I'm going to hopefully teach you guys a little bit about patience and picking the right call. So that way we can now weeklies, of course, guys. I'm going to warn you, most small accounts are going to get blown on weekly. So if like Shopify, right? That type of setup where we have a good, it's holding a level, it's waiting for, a pop and in this case, it's set up a cup and handle hourly time frame. I went ahead and grabbed calls, and then it ended up popping really, really quickly. So if we see anything like that where the premium is, 35, something relatively low but has a good OI, might look at grabbing some of those on the chain. So, but I will let you guys know as I kind of go into the day. I would not recommend scalping the bell, period. I would just wait for that good momentum play. So, wow, GROM actually came out of a falling wedge on that one. That's pretty lit. Grom short, not yet. It just hit the 50% mark. You said Bitto? Oh my God. What happened? The dump with crypto. Looks like you got a nice curl going. You got a little gap below though. That's ugly. Just after hours movement. Where's Bitcoin at? It looks exactly like Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has a hourly bear flag. Bitcoin would need to curl up to 34, 30, 34, 64, 432. Oh, it's getting shorted? Yeah, Grom's getting shorted. It's pulling back now. Is there a psychological advantage to using a small account than rather than setting a $200 limit, etc., on a large account? Psychologically, sure. For me, I tend to get really strict with myself, because the fact of the matter is it is very difficult to build up a small account. Not necessarily in plays, but in psychology, because it depends on where you're coming from. If you just have money lying around, you're running a $200 account, you don't care, that detachment from money can be a double-edged sword, or that detachment from the money can be a double-edged sword. But on the contrary, if you are trying to legitimately build a small account, it can have more impact, than having a larger account where you can mitigate your risk or manage things or multiple trades during the day. Some people will hold on to a bad trade because they cannot trade anymore. And the thought of missing out is it hurts them. They can't handle that. And that is something that you have to overcome. If you can't, it's probably not for you. You probably just stick to investing. You have to, one, be okay with missing, be okay with, you have to be a good loser, to be a good winner, in my opinion. You have to know that, yeah, you're going to miss a lot. You're not going to catch every pump. You're not going to catch every play.
Beyond Meat shares trading down here this morning following some reduced guidance out of the company. Shares around 14% here. Last trading at 93.50. Bravo Yankee November Delta GYND. Note that TTCF, the tattooed chef shares, are indicated lower here this morning. This is viewed as a sympathy play with Beyond Meat. The company is a plant-based food company that produces and sells frozen foods. It's Tango Tango Charlie Foxtrot.
I'm sorry, but if TTCF falls any further, this company is going to die. If you guys look at the daily price action on TTCF, it seems like a heavily targeted and shorted stock. Heavily. Oh my God. No, I don't hear Atlas. What? I don't hear anybody. Is Atlas talking? No, there's nobody in there. Oh, that was an Atlas. That was an Atlas. That was the other dude on Squawkbox. That was Benzinga Pro. Again, if you guys are watching this, if you guys are listening to that speaker, that is the Squawk Box. But I personally I do use Benzinga Pro. The link is in my bio. They have a discount code for this month, but they do have a free 2-week trial that is worth checking out, for sure. So hit the link in my fun. I think this is a good opportunity to talk to you guys. Okay, the mass majority of people that I see are looking. Now I get it. There's social sentiment plays. You want to catch the next leg up. Totally understandable. But fun, which obviously is running in sympathy, and the stock that it's running, I believe, in sympathy with, is starting to pull back. And you also, for fun, not for fun, but for fun, I mean, like you still have, for me anyway, you still have to break 650, but you've already ran from, let's see, as of what, a day ago, not even $1.15 to $7.35. I mean, like, is it going to run to $10? Like, that's obviously price action wise, but when it comes to a stock like this, and you're asking me like where's a good buy price, that's when you see the volume step up. That's when you see a good solid bounce. You can only make money in this market by reacting to it and not just saying, all right, well, if fund gets to 675, I will buy. No, you need to look at the client. Like it's like walking into a room. You need to kind of evaluate the room and see whether or not it's a good fit for you or you should leave. Um, I'm out of fun for the most part. I have a very small position in fun. I would just leave it alone. What do I consider a small account? I mean, anything under like 5 grand, it's a pretty small, 10 grand even could be. But right now, I'm literally have a $200 account. It's up at $450 right now, day 2 or 3, something like that. So, that's what I'm looking for a good play. Might not find one. Might wait till next week. We'll see. All right. Well, it is 8:55, guys. Let's go ahead and really quickly just go over some of the top headlines before we get into the day. First off, futures for the Nasdaq edged lower after Intel warned of lower profit margins, while Snap Incorporated led declines among social media firms while flagging privacy changes from Apple. European stocks rose. Japan and Hong Kong stocks closed higher as surprise interest payment by a debt-ridden China Evergrande Group lifted the mood. Gold gained, propped by a subdued dollar. Oil prices bounced off their overnight lows. Markets PMI figures were scheduled for release later in the day. Right off the bat, we have again China's Evergrande appeared to have averted default with a last-minute bond coupon payment. A source said buying it another week to deal with the debt crisis looming over the world's second biggest economy. Apple talks with Chinese battery maker CATL and BYD mostly stalled. So Apple talks with both of those companies for their over battery supplies for its planned electric vehicle have been mostly stalled after they refused to set up teams and build U.S. plants that would solely cater to the tech giant. Three people with knowledge of the discussion said. Um, wow, that's interesting. Good morning. My account is on the way to 9. Hey, Tom. I always look back at the right time. Yo, if you dig grunge music, you'd love our stuff. I'll follow you. WE. WE. Georgie. Oh my God. What's happening here? I need news. We work open for a trade. That happened a couple days ago. This is a new IPO. No, I'll go ahead and say it, guys. Absolutely not. I am not in DWAC. I will not be buying DWAC. Nothing. All right. So just It's not you guys should be exercising the same risk. Look into the future, not into the past, all right? No, the small account live is here. Free. BOWX. Okay. Well, I'm sending alert above 315. I might set a limit order, but I'd like to find out a little bit more information on why they're running like that. But that could be a mover today. What was what? Good morning, everybody. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Why did Beyond Meat fall? It's fake meat. It's 9 o'clock. Okay. Hey guys, I'm gonna speculatively buy and pre-market WE. Okay, right here. At there we go. Hold on one second. Can I have it? There we go. Where's my demon broker?
AIHS Sunmio Technology highlighting the launch of its ride-hailing platform in Zhuzhou, a major city in China's Jiangsu province. It's Alpha India Hotel Sandy, AIHS.
Oh, I just accidentally bought that and then logged out of my trade station. That's a starter position there. Stop loss for me is going to be I have it marked as 1290. Market makers are like, yeah, he bought. Go ahead. Watch fun curling. This is the setup that I have on fun here. I'll post this in the Discord for you guys. This could very well extend itself. So okay. So you guys swung the video with me.
Electronic
Oh my god.
press release here highlighting
Ooh, that's actually good.
EA Sports FIFA 22. The launch 22 days away, according to this press release. It's Echo Alpha EA.
Okay. That I know that's really okay. So I actually have a target on EA already today of 43.50 to the upside. Okay. So just throwing that out there. 43.25, 43.50 to the upside. If you look at the setup, nice pennant here on the daily. You are losing a little bit of momentum as you run into earnings. The volume was decent yesterday. The movement here in pre-market is good. You did push up here. So pre-market highs right now is going to be 141. So you can take potentially EA weeklies with a solid break of that with good volume. There's a WeWork right there, a little bit bouncy.
Shares are indicated higher here.
No, they're not.
Press release highlighting the launch of FIFA 22. Note that a couple weeks ago there was some concern in a New York Times article that EA Sports would be planning for a soccer game without the FIFA brand, and it could be why shares are moving higher here in Electronic Arts ticker
Am,
Aqua.
am I missing something? Because this shit just gapped down. So I don't know what Hobie's talking about. There was like one pop, and then it just immediately went right back down, which is awesome because now we have a gap. That's super great. I would love to open up lower. That's awesome. I'll go ahead and I'm gonna write EA down. Um, a lot of the times in the morning, that's the kind of news that I want to see. So I'm gonna go ahead and write EA. Of course, market movement is gonna be important here. I had some people asking me about Microsoft. Guys, last night, I really don't even know what to say because the fact is that my target got crushed last night. Yesterday, I told you guys before the bell that I had a 313 target on Microsoft, and guess what? It went and hit 313 in after hours and then pulled back. So either A, you go ahead and to this morning above 311.34, it could pop to the upside. And I wish this thing would just not do that. I've never had this currency highlighted and just it keeps doing it. 313.84. All right, WeWorks, new high on WeWorks, 1386. Have you guys gotten to We? That's 1386 right now. $14. Looks like it's the next target here. You can see a little fight happening. Be careful on DATS chat. If you guys have a stop loss set, I'm holding because I'm only in speculative entry light shares, but I will be adding to that one. 1390 on We. What'd you say? How and where Amazon monitors? Just go look up LG 32-inch monitors. Well, my uh I would say personally, with everything, everything looks kind of a drag ass, in my opinion. So right off the bat, if you go look at Nvidia, I'm gonna have to oh, that's cute. Um, but if you look right here on the 5, it I cannot stand this thing.
Advancing your market update, S&P futures down 3.25, the Dow futures up 17, NASDAQ is down 46.50, crude is up 78 cents at $83.29, gold up 26.60 at 18.60, Bitcoin futures up 910 at 63,820.
All right, do you guys see Nvidia here? My thoughts on Nvidia
HBAN Huntington Bank shares
is that we're going to potentially see a pullback here in pre-market, a pop down to 228, and then potentially I'm looking for a retest of 230. So that's the plan right now for Nvidia at the moment. So I would say my main focus right now, definitely EA. Just popped into my frame of watch fun here. Watch fun as a potential entry at 640. If you guys are adding or anything like that, it is starting to curl a little bit. But make sure you have good volume and you make a good clean candle break there.
$6.34.
Yeah, I know this. I know.
$7.34.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and
EHUN.
let's see if we get it right here. Nice curl pre-market. I'll buy a little bit right now. Hold on. All right. I just bought a little bit. I bought a few shares on the small account too, so. Okay. So, okay, let's go over the last one because you guys are probably gonna laugh at me. All right, so Square. I'm watching Square again, and I know I have gotten burned on Square. Bruh.
plans to shift shift main business to new energy vehicles?
So the way that I see it right now, we've got a pennant on square, so it's bilateral. I'll take it either way. Anywhere below 260, I might slide into a short, weekly short to scalp below 250 for a target of 258. And then if you're looking longer expiration, that pullback, I could see it going to 255 if we break 260. So, or break 258. So, I am watching Square. Again, Square did rip yesterday. So if we get a good solid bounce and we do move up to $64 above 64.05, I'll take this one for high of 265. So that's Square both to the upside and downside with a scalp. And of course we need good volume. If you guys, all right. I'm gonna say it one more time. I will not be watching DWAC. If DWAC goes to $300, I will still be just as happy sitting here doing what I do. Just full port your account to DWAC. No, those are always the people who lose. So, my target on fun is probably just the previous high, 735. And if we can break that 735 mark, maybe into the 850s. I think if I remember correctly, funds daily.
General Motors American president says more than halfway through eliminating the
20. I know that if we have crazy volume, you could see like
uh,
$12, but I have the first major level, for fun above you. I see 1750, but then 2814.
GM.
So we're only reacting to price action here. That's it. So. Again, if you guys have any questions about who is talking in the background, that is Benzinga Pro, is the scanner, news, etc., service that I use for pretty much everything. That link is in my bio for a 2-week free trial just using your phone number. So, all right. So I would say right now, EA, NVIDIA, Square are going to be my top threes. And then there's a couple of different plays that I'm eyeballing. I do have Netflix on my watch list.
$7 now.
Uh,
one where it's 7.
and this one's quite simple. Above 655 to the upside, I have a target of 660, 661. Yeah, no. And then below, right, below 648, there's a good chance that you pull back to 644 50. So I also would like to remind everybody here that is new. If you are not a options trader, if you have not been trading options and you are struggling and you're losing money and it's been because you're buying weeklies, don't do that. All right. And if you do, because obviously you're going to do what you're going to do, we can't stop you. Nobody, you're going to use some type of risk management. That's what I would do. So that's a all right. WE right now retesting 13. Let's go to the 5-minute really quick. 9-day moving average is sitting here at 1295. It's okay right now. I am in fun. Yeah, I got fun. Oh, I forgot to mention, skills is also on the watch list. It broke out of a pennant that I had yesterday, and is sitting up here pretty nicely in pre-market, kind of just hovering at the 1035 level. So I will be watching that one for a breakout. I have that one for a potential long, but honestly, Apple looks like it's gonna possibly move to the upside around and retest 150. But you know what I see, guys? Right now at the moment, I see a potential for chop. And you guys know what that means. Last week we saw the same thing, and guess what? at the last few minutes of the day, we ended up seeing the movement that we would have liked to see in the morning. So keep that in mind today. All right. Remember the last times, follow the momentum. $7 on fun here. Let's see if we can clear this previous high, 741. Please consider that and know that you have next week. You don't have to make every trade. You don't have to change your account today. Be patient and let these trades come to you. If you don't have a plan, if you enter a trade without an entry or an exit or a stop loss or a target, you're probably going to have a lot of anxiety. And the only way to get out of that anxiety is to not be in that position. And so even if it's just a pivot point target where you're utilizing, like say here for fun, you're using the pivot point strategy, that's also going to give you levels, which apparently this data is out. It needs to update. So once the day opens, you can look at that. But you could use pivot points. You could just use psychological numbers. $7 is a psychological number, 725, 750, et cetera, et cetera. If we hit NVIDIA's 230 mark in pre-market, or in at the open, I'm going to TP pretty much everything. So if you're in NVIDIA, I'm going to go ahead and TP. So if you guys are in any swings on NVIDIA, just letting you know now. I will be happy to re-enter. I've never heard of Portillo's.
THTX, Barrett Technologies announcing publication in Frontiers in Oncology Journal highlighting SORT1 plus technology for targeting SORT1 mediated vasculogenic mimicry.
What?
That's
Mimicking vascular something? I don't know. That's what it sounded like.
THTX.
I'm not seeing a lot of news either. Yo, check this out. China Evergrande plans to shift main business to new energy vehicles.
Constitution Bancorp.
There's 717 on fun if you guys got that good entry right there.
53 cents.
See, we're trying to go break. Good volume here.
Cents. In the same period a year ago, that's Foxtrot Charlie Yankee FCCY.
I'm not watching DWAC, but what is DWAC doing? DWAC is building. Okay, so yes, absolutely. There is the potential here. Okay, thank you actually for bringing that up. So there is the potential.
See, My Size Custodian Ventures addresses My Size's latest attempt to disenfranchise stockholders and undermine corporate democracy. That's Michael Yankee Sandy Zulu, the largest shareholder of My Size Custodian Ventures.
What?
Owning about 10% of the company's outstanding shares, commenting on lawsuit filed by My Size on October 20th to prevent custodian from nominating director candidates and running an election contest at the annual meeting. So the lawsuit filed by My Size is baseless. That's the company's Custodian Ventures CEO saying that.
All right. Yes.
My Size, trading much here at $1.20 now, up a penny. Michael Yankee Sandy Zulu MIS.
Yes, EA. I'm looking at 143. Am I a scalper or a swing trader? I am capable of doing both. Can I look at spot? I can't trade daily because of the restrictions. How do you do that with a small account?
One where highs now in the market, $7.36.
How you guys doing on funware here?
Shares closed at $1.53 on Thursday. That's Papa Hotel Uniform November.
Morning, everybody. Sure. I mean, here's the thing. Sure, DWAC goes and makes a new high. Guys, I'm sorry. I've learned my lesson in the past. I've learned this lesson many times. If you didn't buy back here, you probably shouldn't try to be full size in here. All right. It did what most stocks do in their whole lifetime sometimes. in like a couple days or in a couple of like hours. It's so like $10 to 90. I don't know what else people are wanting. I don't like anything around here is greed, and I would remove myself from that situation and find another play. And I am currently doing that. I'm not looking to trade this at all. All right, so I am a little worried that if we see a rejection at $8 on fun, that we're going to reverse and fall all the way back down. So I am watching fun right here for any signs of weakness. The weeklies are expirations that expire this week, which most people, 80% of options are going to expire. We're worthless. So something to keep in mind. Okay, so now NVIDIA, I don't know if you guys just saw that. Did you guys see what NVIDIA just did? NVIDIA just went and slapped support, this lower time frame support that I have, twice. So right here. Yeah, that there is a chance that you pop and hit 230, 231. Definitely a possibility. This takes care of that little gap below you, but again, you guys are going to be up. Yeah, but like it tanks, but it goes pops right back up. So again, I'm just gonna skedaddle. DWAC is going for 94. Volume is rising. So yeah, 100's gonna. You're already seeing the impact of the 100. So that's a good question. How did you choose what market strategy is best? Some people trade one specific stock, some trade levels, ETFs, NFTs looking lucrative. So my method started from was birthed in the place where I started, which was with a smaller account. And the only way that I was able to do that consistently is by short swinging. So I would literally just, like I did on NVIDIA, I would look for good solid movement towards the end of the day. I would enter, and a lot of the times what I would do is Monday, Tuesday, I'll swing weeklies. And anytime after that, I will not. Wednesday, you get really finicky. And I stuck to stocks that I knew moved very well. Rather than trying to buy stocks that were speculative in nature and choppy in price action. So I'd swing things like Apple, Microsoft, Facebook, on good solid bullish trends. And that went all the way from BA to Lulu to Roku to, any of these really good big beta stocks. That's what I was looking to do is AMC. Fun $8. Do you guys remember what I said? So if we pull back, if this ends up being, I see it's just pattern recognition right now. Either A, we go for a retest of 735, $7, or we continue pushing from here. I would recommend waiting, 10 minutes, wait for the market to pick a direction. I will tell you though, Netflix has there is a Roblox might pull back. There is a good chance that this one above pre-market highs 656 goes and taps 660. So if you're a scalper, different story. You need to be setting your entries and your exits. So um what splitter or dock do you use for screens? NVIDIA P62 or P620. I have no idea I don't know. I have no idea. That's all I have to say about that. I have no idea. I'm not that guy. Why is there a little face up there? Oh, he's using fib retracements on DWAC. All right, there's the rejection off of $8. Didn't even hit $8. What are they building? All right, so you guys can of course use your risk, but I like to chart, and I'm gonna send this to you guys. Remember, this is the 5 minute. I think this is not like we swung this from yesterday, so I'm only adding. Look at fun right here. So if you want to take a little profit, you can. This is gonna looking like it's gonna pull back here. Now you're retesting. Watch the 705 retest right here.
At the Q4 on revenues of $300 million to $500 million. That's what Alaska is currently well.
I sure think that now that I'm looking at Roblox's setup here in pre-market, everyone, Roblox looks like it is going to fall. This one is rejecting a downtrend that it had previously. So watch for an $80 retest on that one. But again, I'm going to be waiting the first few minutes of the day. Yep, there's that rejection off of the $8.
ANTC, Intel.
I think we'll see one more high.
With Intel to build a multi-billion euro advanced chip plants in Italy, according to sources. Total investment expected to range from 4 billion to 8 billion euros.
Okay. Did you guys hear that on Intel?
Reuters.
Okay. So looks like the Italian government is approaching Intel to, and I'm waiting for the full news. Yep. Fun is moving in sympathy of DWAC. So as soon as DWAC gets whacked, we're done with fun. And I already see a reversal pattern forming on fun. So you could see, somebody asked me about Apple. You could see Apple go hit 150 today and then reject. No, that's bullish news, in my opinion. So here it goes. Italian government in talks with Intel to build multi-billion euro advanced packaging chip in Italy. I just tweeted that out. So watch Intel. It's already moving here in pre-market. Might be a good dip buy. Head earnings. I would watch Intel first level 50.85, second level right here, $51. I think volume will be a good indication on whether they're going to react bullishly to that news or not. So they're in talks, so it's not like a for sure thing, you know. Does anybody remember Team? This one just got a price target raise from Morgan Stanley to 505. Overweight. Watch for a retest of 1414 on that one. All right, buyer stepping back up. So right there, we got a really nice retest of $7.05, $7 on fun. Let's see if we can go and break and blow this pattern out. All right, so let's EA. Son of a bitch, EA already popped. Fuck, EA is ripping. Oh, dude, if fun went and moved like that, that'd be sick, but probably not. It's only running in sympathy. American Airlines did have earnings. You could watch American Airlines above 1994 for something, but I imagine they're going to keep it in range. All right, I want to make something really clear here now as we're about to go ahead and start the bell. Those of you on YouTube, all right, know your account size. Please do not. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything that you do is at your risk, and you need to make sure that you're evaluating that risk. If you hear me say enter a contract that costs $800, you've got a $1,000 account, use your common sense, probably not a call for you to take. If you are a new trader and people are scalping, you're going to hear a lot of excitement as certain stocks may take off and people get in for quick trades. Stop chasing signals. Most people are losing money because they either A, do not take the trade when it's signaled, or B, they get fearful and they wait, and I don't know what they're waiting for, but they usually will just wait, and that goes for their own signals or their own setups. They'll just wait, and then eventually the play is just too far away, and then they have to let it go. So again, guys, it is Friday. I try and say this every Friday. A lot of people don't trade on days like this. It's also important to remember that Powell is going to be speaking today, I believe, at 10:30. So that is going to bring in a lot of volatility, and just letting you guys know that you should be very careful. What's happening with DWAC? You guys are freaking out. Oh, there it is. Goodbye. Can fucking, excuse me, can fun go now then? Can we go and get hit $10? DWAC's gonna go. It just hit. My target yesterday was 128, which was random, but that's my target. 128.69. I'm just kidding. Okay. So wow. Yeah, and I don't care if it goes there. If it goes there, I'm not trading it. So if you're in it, good job. Do your thing.
Moderna and Johnson & Johnson booster shots nationwide. That's Whiskey Bravo Alpha, Michael Romeo November Alpha.
Well, Square is already going to support here. Stupid. All right, watch Square to bounce then, rather than break. Okay, hit here. Make sure you guys are ready to go. Fuck. Speaking of. All right, I am going to be TPing my my snap puts. Okay, so if you guys give me a minute, that is my main concern right now. As my own trader, I gotta make sure that I TP my puts. Do you use your small account for daily transactions? What do you mean by that? All right, we're on. Watch Team, by the way. I'm going to be watching Team. They just got that price target upgrade. All right, Fun is looking like it's going to go move higher here. Shit. Come on. Hold on one second. My shit's not loading. This is the one terrible thing about that. Okay, so, oh my God. We're not up there. There we go. Oh my God. Yo, whoa. 700. Oh my God. Wow. Okay, hold on.
Order filled.
Woo! Okay, EA Sports. Sorry, guys. For today, the spread is awful on EA, but all right, if you guys are in fun, $10 right here. I would recommend trimming a little bit off at on fun. I'm grabbing a 142 call, I think, here right now on EA. All right, I'm in EA. Oh my God, fun. Yo, let's go. Fun.
DWAC halted on a circuit breaker 131.90 after the open.
Amazing, dude. If you guys are in skills, we're taking off. There's EA. Let's go.
Shares today up 189%. That's Delta Whiskey Alpha Charlie.
Let's go. Let's go.
98 cents on circuit breaker. That's Papa Hotel Uniform November. One-way share is now up 6.
No, I TP'd the bell. I TP'd the bell on the video. Just like I said, I was out on the video as soon as the bell opened. All right, if you're in EA weeklies, you guys know the deal. You can go ahead and start looking to take profit. Fun and DWAC are halted. So Yeah, we looks like it's gonna go ahead and hit my. It's bouncing right here. I'm gonna let the candle close. 1 minute and 56 seconds. All right, BYND looks like it's gonna go down to $90. All right, so those are halted. I missed my square play. That went right there. So if anybody caught that, that was a good play to the downside.
CRTD created, shares halted on a circuit breaker, $6.65 down. Up 127%. Charlie Romeo Tango Delta, CRTD,
Yes, fun is halted.
EROM.
Guys, make sure to follow the Twitter. I'm posting out that live news right now, and I'm also live on YouTube, and that's where you guys can talk to me, and I can actually see your comments. All right.
Now on a circuit breaker.
Circuit breaker. I do not play BA ever. So but giving you a target, 216.85 probably is a decent target to the upside looking at this downtrend. So starting from this October 20th high. All right, if you guys are in EA, you are up 47%. If you're in multiple contracts, I would highly recommend going ahead and looking to secure a little bit of the profits on the weeklies. We can't handle a whole lot of pullbacks. All right, well, fuck off. Damn it.
Down 0.3%.
Oh well, I missed my own play on Netflix. It is what it is. I was a little bit preoccupied right there. Also, I'm watching the 1 minute on EA. We need to let this candle close. Tesla, got it. Okay, yeah, Tesla 900. There it goes. All right, hold on a second. Yeah, Snap has me wanting to go light on everything right now, so I feel good. Yeah, guys, I see 905 here, easy on Tesla. There's 660 if you took my Netflix play. I give those levels out. I may miss it. You guys don't have to. And I want you guys, especially those of you who are learning, look at that rejection off 660. Do you guys see that? On the dot. All right, EA Sports trying to go and make a new high here, 124.30. Again, those are still up around 43%. So come in. Good morning. How are you?
Ellie got herself dressed.
You got yourself dressed this
Got her
morning?
outfit.
Very nice. Probably worth looking at that bounce on Square, everyone. Oh. Whoa. All right. Want to sit with me for a second? How's it going, everybody? Link is in the bio. If you're curious on who is talking right now, that has been Zynga Pro. There is literal trial there in my bio for you guys for free 2-week trial. Oh, don't be exiting positions, baby. 903 just got hit. EA is just holding up here. SPY is ripping right now, though. Hold on, give EA a minute. No attaching. No attaching. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right, EA 9-day moving average retest. Tesla rejection off of 903. Boeing, if you just took Boeing, I don't know. There's DWAC. All right, guys, I'm up 81% on entry from fun on today. So, my target got crushed.
Which is a live source of revenue. Watching shares.
He said, "What the fuck?" He said, "What the fuck?" That's how I feel too, Georgie. I'm up 113 on the third entry on fun, dude. Yo, Georgie's the GOAT, dude, with this equity. I'm telling y'all. He literally smoked it. Let's go. 2 minutes and 6 seconds here left on EA. If you guys have any runners, good job. Good job if you TP'd that. Georgie is.
CHUN fund were halted again. I'm at $14.06. Hotel uniform November.
Yo, somebody's got to fill me in. Who is Brandon?
DWAC, 3190.
Oh, that's right, Joe Biden. That's right.
Delta Whiskey Alpha Charlie.
Do keep an eye on Square. Real quick. You got a flag building right here on Square.
SALM Salem.
Yo, I gotta get out of fun, dude. There's no way.
Media shares. Here, presenting trades and we have a Michael.
Wait, what happened? Oh my god, look at the video. Yeah, that was one of the watches for this morning. I was gonna scout that one. I wasn't able to grab it, so come on, EA. You can't do this to me. Yo, Sony. Do you see Sony? What? You never see candles like that on Sony, I'm telling you. My stop loss on Wii, my stop loss got I actually let that candle close and my stop loss is still intact, so. Thoughts on net? We should halt here. Let's go, Brandon F. Biden. Oh, that's right, because they thought that I remember that was like a football game or soccer or something like not soccer, but are you in Grom? Are you in Grom? Yeah, it's a NASCAR race. That's right. Listen to all these people cheer. NVIDIA, there it is. NVIDIA 230.25. If you held, which I didn't do, so no offense. DATS, I have DATS from yesterday. Yeah. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, nice. Yeah, I'm in DATS. I signaled DATS yesterday. The target for fun, honestly, we've already crushed it. I had a target of $10. We've already halted past it. I honestly, we work. Let's go. Sorry, let's go. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's go. That was just an exciting breakout right there on WeWork. 14.13. EA is curling back up. We need to get it above. For me, I need 141.85. So, all right, we should be unhalting relatively soon on I'm not looking to add DATS until it breaks $11. NVIDIA.
AGC.
Yo, is anybody still in NVIDIA? I sold my NVIDIA calls too. So, there's no like shame here. I had a plan, I stuck to it. All right. How's it going, everybody? Just a minute. If I don't get to your questions or something like that, I have to focus. But if you guys hop into YouTube, I will be able to answer the questions that come in right here. You can see on my YouTube, I've got all the comments right there. So I am streaming. The link is in my bio. Guys, bye. Okay. There's DATS chat. EA, beautiful, beautiful reversal on EA. There we go. Nice momentum, picking up momentum there. Interesting. Yep, there it is. Right there. There's DATS.
Here, 1497.
No. I have no idea what I entered WeWork speculatively this morning, so
Echo WE.
yo, 113%. Crazy. EA, if you guys have any EA runners, those are back up 40%. Apple's over 150. Is it a bull market? It's a bull market. Oh my god. No, that's my target right there. It could break it, but all right. Bull market's back. No, that's exactly what we want. They want us to think. I'm about to market fill on a sell here for. All right, EA, no, 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 no. We were gonna break out, remember? In a minute and 55 seconds. Do not chase 0 days till expiration. Do not. There's DATs. There's DATs. Wow. But Dad, I wanna. You're grounded if you do. All right, okay. That's not my preferred price action there on EA. I would have liked to see a break right there, and
EATS.
we're rejecting 142.
On a circuit breaker, GROM.
Grom.
Resuming trade.
That's halted.
Everything's halted, dude. All the fun is halted. They said no more fun for you. Get it? It's fun. All right. Did you swing UPS? Do not let these things go red. Just sell them if they. So EA, if you're in EA, I'll allow for a bounce right here off of 140, 140, and if we do not get that bounce and we open a candle and close it down, then I am out. So no, I don't say they're not fueled by the same things. So Dat's chat though, moving up there, beautiful swing on that one. Yeah, come on, fun, please. Somebody asked me about net. Net's looking a little sketchy below 180. So just watch it for a break below 180. All right, EA, you're EA Sports. Please break out. Salem. GRM. All right, we're about to get unhalted. Where the fuck is there we go. Yo, Walmart is ripping. Ooh. Oh man, Walmart's gone. I'm not chasing that bag. Oh, there. Beautiful bounce on EA. Beautiful bounce. Do you guys see that? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's got a rounded top on the hourly, though. Everything is halted.
SALM.
All right, I think we go here. I think we can pop.
Media shares halted again at the highs 523 in a circuit breaker. The Alpha Lima Michael.
I'll break your circuit, dude. What'd you say? I hope so. Oh god. All right, if Georgie's right, he's the Fed. I'm just kidding. All right, let's see. It should unhalt here relatively soon. BYD actually is actually going down there. Microsoft is actually pulling back. I would watch Microsoft. Just closed below. It's pushing below VWAP, but below. It actually broke 310. I would personally watch below 309.35, break 309 here. You could watch a little potential play there to 308. Our semiconductor ETF, and again, guys, on NVIDIA here, or on EA. If you guys are in EA, it is okay to go ahead and close that contract if you want. I'm watching it right now, and I really feel like sellers are kind of holding this one down pretty easy. So I think it's going to go pull back to 141.29 potentially. So, oh my God, this hold feels so long. Pens, play pens down. Don't just let it go if you're in long. Costco is green until it's not. It'll literally run forever. It'll just keep running. It's Dollar General and a lot of those are the same way. All right, is the market about to pull back? Is that why everything's doing this? Because it looks like we're about to take a.
You see?
Oh wow, wow! Let's go! 132% on fun, baby. All right, that is it. I gotta take some profit, dude. How?
halted again.
Are you serious?
Yes,
No.
hold again.
Manufacturing PMI for October 59.2.
Are you holding?
60.3. Services PMI 58.2. Consensus was 55.1.
Hold it again. Hold it.
Pins looks good down. Oh my God, SPY is dumping. That means we're about to lose EA.
Okay, and fund halted again. And that's still going.
PHUN Funware resumes trading.
All right, the last runner on EA is out for a very, very minuscule loss there. Small accounts, God, dog. If you guys grabbed DATS last night, like I signaled, and that one's Ripperoni. Is DWAC permanently halted? Certainly feels like it. Huh?
CNDX, watch it. CNDX.
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 All right. Oh wow, is that one halted as well, or? All right, I'm gonna.
It's halted. All my tickers halted.
All of your tickers are halted. Oh my gosh, that 1,167%. That's how much Funware is up. What's the next support for EA? I would say this 141 level. You're already seeing a small bounce there, but at 141, if you go to the 15-minute right here, oh shit. 22. Oh shit, I just guessed. 141. I don't think it's over with. We will re-enter EA as long as it holds this flag. And honestly, it's the 9-day moving average right now. You can see that right now on the 5-minute. Do you see the bounce right there? 141.50. Grom is halted. Did you guys enter Grom this morning? GROM. Oh, talk to me about Oracle. Oh, hey, Oracle. Yeah. Let me look at the setup though. Okay, a bounce off support. Target above you, based off of previous rejections, would be $98.50. Fund to 25. I don't know.
Yeah, but don't be greedy in the gains, huh?
I was gonna say, yeah.
TRKA trade recently trade $2.84. Now at the high of 72%. Tango Romeo Kilo Alpha.
Did anybody take that Microsoft play down? I would TP if you did. It just hit my target beautifully.
The Grom's still going, Garrett. GRO. Again.
Oh my gosh. Did you get that? Oh my gosh. I'm watching EA. I'm also watching Sony right now with that crackhead energy. How's it going, everybody? Hopefully you guys are having a good day. If you guys are watching on TikTok and you have any questions, those questions are best answered on YouTube here. The link is above you in my profile. Yeah, I was up. I could just walk away right now.
TRKA halted again on a circuit breaker.
I'm in. I love craps.
Tango Romeo Kilo Alpha TRK. AA. DAPS.
Yo, that Microsoft short, I didn't even get to take my own short, but
GROM. Halted on a circuit breaker.
in the current hold on. Yo, I cannot believe. Oh my God, Microsoft, beautiful. Microsoft's target. I actually. Oh my God, hold on a second. Somebody just DM me. Microsoft's target right now below 308.50 is 307.50. A dollar move again. All right, we should be getting unhalted here relatively soon, right? Get that fund ready up. Yeah.
Yeah, see?
Oh, 200%. Ah, look at it go. Oh my God. I'm trying to get out. I can't. I'm trying to sell a little bit. Oh, I did it. Oh my gosh. Did I? Is it halted again? Oh, did you hear that right when I went to go sell? Oh, did it sell? Oh, it did. It did sell. It did sell. Let's go. I sold the top. Yeah. Well, I don't know if it's the top, but I sold it at a good place. I was sick. It halted down. Yo, DWAC is still halted. WTF, Mike? Oracle's having trouble holding up against the market. Marijuana moment.
THC is an illegal drug.
Is anybody in pens or yeah, if you're in JMIA, I have that long. I just like I said yesterday, I grabbed a put. And you guys, I gave you guys that stop yesterday. If you're in JMIA, I'm actually gonna start looking at long positions here on JMIA, but okay. Wow. SPY is bouncing. I see 665 maybe, but anything past that is going to be insane.
Don't say what time they're gonna unveil the DWAC. Check something. You can see it. Whoa!
What's up? Who?
DWAC at 190, let's see.
How did you know that?
What you want? How do I know? But you're gonna see how it is.
He says 190. DWAC opens at 190.
BFRA. Frontier receives FDA.
Intramuscular, I don't make any. I make like $1 off of my TikTok videos.
Lamp. Shares bolted on a circuit breaker. Bravo Foxtrot Romeo Alpha, BFRA, SALM, Southern Media.
I think I love it when people do that. Nvidia actually, we'll watch that one again. Above 230. The ETF. Also, don't sleep on EA still. It still has a chance, but the semiconductor ETF that I was talking about still has a gap to fill. It's about 50% of the way through that gap. All right, I'm watching for a bullish bounce on EA here as it is flagging on the 1 minute. So above 141.88, I may look for a entry with high volume.
It's 185 now. You know. They're not, so watch it.
Did they halt it downside?
DATS shares resume trading.
All right.
Yeah, also.
So I may.
TRKA resumes trading. Tango Romeo Kilo Alpha, TRKA, GROM, Ground Social, halted on a circuit breaker.
I think we might be in for some chop on some stuff now. Although Dow is moving up. What is Cat doing right now? Cat has an interesting setup, 202. Feed snap. I'm in DATS from yesterday. Signaled on my signaled yesterday. That was sick. I've never that was a sick sell right there.
CNTX, Context Therapeutics, is
Nope.
looking at for a circuit breaker halt.
Wait, what?
CNTX.
What? Oh, I thought
$50 at the high.
I thought they said Wish. I thought they were talking about Context Logic. I was like, what?
This context therapeutic.
Got you. Okay. Baba? Yeah, Baba just tapped 180. No. Yep, there's Tesla. Oh my gosh. Over an 800% gains today for that's it for me. Oh my god, dude. Salute. Good job.
IZEA, IZEA, spiking from the highs around $3 now. Well, more than $3. Mentioned that the simply play to all these stocks running on DWAC.
Yeah, which is halted right now into eternity.
Zulu Echo Alpha.
I'm really glad nobody played that one. Played Snap there. What happened? All right, so let's see if NVIDIA is going to give us a wick fill. Oh, what is this, my guy? 185. DWAC opens up at 185. I'm listening to Benzinga Pro, and then if you're asking about my music, that is Mogwai. The album is called Hardcore. Oh, dude, whoa, what? Sorry. Oh my god, yo. Oh my god, dude. I need some milk. I'm just kidding. Ugh. I hate milk.
Did you already get sold on that yet?
No, I sold 20 and then I'm holding 20 more shares on DWAC. That's it. I have the limit order set at 125, so it's gonna sell anything. Between now and or between where it's at in there. It sold almost all my fund. If you guys were still in fund, I sold my dad because I still have a little bit left in my position. Guys, watch TNTX. TNTX. Recent IPO, phase 2 PDUFA in process right now, so keep that on watch.
TNTX.
TNTX. It's running hard right now, so I'm gonna wait for a dip. But
Order filled. No, just kidding. Go ahead. I can do that voice pretty good.
So here's the thing with it though, my target's 10, based on the work that they're doing. I mean, it could go past 10 because it's at like $7 almost right now. So like on a couple dips, maybe just like scale in. I wouldn't recommend going all in right off the bat.
Yo, I'm just sitting over here looking at these Tesla contracts, wondering which one's gonna quadruple in value by the end of the day.
Oh, dude, is Tesla ripping right now?
Dude, Tesla just hit 906, my guy.
Holy shit!
Yeah. He just
put it all-time high territory.
Yeah. We're in the zone. I'm not gonna say auto zone, so. Yeah, maybe we get a breakout retest. So you pop today. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm looking at the open interest. I think they're planning it. I think they might take this to 910 straight up. I wouldn't.
It can easily pass. It can even go 920 for the day. Volume stays consistent.
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, you okay?
Yeah, just fucking shit that's I'm coughing up still.
Nice. So Digital World Acquisition shares halted on another circuit following resumption of the trade stock. Oh my god, this is crazy. There's another halt on BFRA, volatility trading halt. BFRA.
EFR.
It's halted the downside though.
Okay. I don't know what that is. A bio. Is that it's a Chinese company. I
Yeah.
think.
Hey, we got Tesla Friday $900 call. People are buying $900 in the call. $900 in the call. What am I talking about? DBX January $30 2023 $30 calls coming in right now. More Tesla.
Salem Alton.
Oh shit. Okay, so they are bullish on that.
Are you still in from yesterday, Georgie? Garrett?
Who? What? Salem? Yeah, I have like I think 15% of my position left, dude. After fun ran this morning like this, I re-entered around $6. It's like $6.50 something. And so yeah, funds. Georgie's been in funds since it was like born. It's like since.
When I told you about it, about this one, I like the name.
Yeah, a long time ago. I remember we traded it together. Yeah, no, you've had an average. You got in a while back. Yo, the fund open and halted down. Order filled. Order. Oh, okay. Somebody had just updated on my chart.
Anyway,
Order filled. The I'm still halted. CNTX.
My original fill on fund in my main account, not in the Webull, is up 1,000%.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
Love that.
keep an eye on IMTE, Integrated Media Technology. IMTE.
IMTE. Okay.
It was like, I don't know, there's something about it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, EA. Guys, I'm back. I'm eyeballing EA now. Back in EA. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the 142s again. Oh my god, the spread is disgusting. No way. No way I'm buying that. Hold on, guys. All right, I might go to 132. Trump open. Oh wow. They held up well. All right,
I'm all out.
all right. I just bought an EA contract. Fun is gonna pop up, I think, and I'm gonna go ahead and get out of that too, dude. I can't even.
Yeah, I'm about to get out of fun.
The spreads on EA are gangster right now. Yo, context.
Don't forget about CNTX.
Yeah, it just put.
Yeah.
It just filled that wick.
Yeah, there we go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm in EA. Well, you can go out next week if you're new. Remember, and you want to stay away from weeklies. This is still a good play. You could potentially go out 143, 142, 50, whatever the. I'm not looking at next week, so I just grabbed this week. So, yeah, wow, funware. This is fun.
Is it true that Steve Bannon owns this company?
I heard something about it, his name mentioned with it, but I wasn't quite sure. So,
Well, thank you for the money, Mr. Steve.
okay, hold on 1 second.
Even though he's a scumbag.
Oh Jesus, I don't even know who that guy could be. I don't even know. So, yo, there is. I'm not even gonna call. It's a calculated risk here. I am heavily eyeballing. You can go next week, but the 182.50 calls for Baba to go today and retest those previous highs of when, huh?
a lot, an insane amount. These are what you call black swan event. These do not happen often.
Nope.
Okay, so take your profits, don't bag hold.
Yeah, and don't come after say I'm glad I know. I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, even if it ripped even further, like you're still exercising. In fact, you could think you're training your brain the wrong way. So, hold on real quick. Those 182.50s are about to get away from me, so I'm gonna grab one.
BFRA resuming trade.
Damn it! I wanted to grab those just there, but I couldn't do it.
If see it's gonna go to 190, it's up that can start around 1.1.
Hey guys, CNTX is holding up. Been up. Never mind. I thought it was.
Did anybody grab that? Did anybody grab that?
Yeah, I feel.
Baba?
I'm. In CNTX, I feel.
Oh no, I thought I was talking about Baba.
I swear to God, I will kick you out from this. I want to buy you one man. I will kick you out.
Georgie will come to your house.
He can do it too. He'll do it. Wow, that was a beautiful pop off of that entry on Baba there. Hopefully we get another leg up on Baba if anybody took that 182s. 182.50, excuse me. EA, high a day. EA, high a day. Electronic Arts. Yuck. The spreads are tightening up a little bit. Huh? All right. Is EA going to go break high of day? Let's see. Last chance on EA here. Georgie came in like a SWAT team, dude. So if you look at the movements on Baba, again, you guys can go out to next week. Don't expect like immediate pop. I think we're going to go ahead and pop and hit that previous high here, but don't expect like a straight line or anything. All right. Boy, EA. I'm just going to go ahead and grab one more. Is Fun open yet? Nope.
No, it's not on my end, bro.
You up with the 853.
Oh, you know what? I'm not watching. Okay. What'd you say, Georgie? Sorry. Bless you. Or
You were open.
it's gonna fill the gap.
Try to hold.
Switch it again.
Come on, EA, do it.
Hey guys, just as a heads up, this thing continues to hold. Much might be a few more times it can hold for the rest of the day, possibly. So just keep that in mind too.
I'm about to mark it.
For the rest of the day, you can open at a major gap down on Monday.
Yeah, I would not chase at this point at all. Just leave it alone. My target on EA for weeklies 142.50 is a target right there above you. I just saw Cat just gave me an alert. I just got an alert on Cat.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Cat Wickville, 220 excuse me. Watch 202.30. Cat. Hey, Cat looks really good. Cat to the upside. This could obviously you could go next week, stay safer. I think a good you have a gap to fill on Cat all the way to 204 today. Cat options man. Come on, EA. All right, so if we end up getting a rejection here on EA, that's it. I'm out. we can't. I can't afford to. This is the third rejection of 142.30, and I'm gonna get out. So I'll wait right now for this candle to close. There's a 5-minute candle that needs to close here in 1 minute and 44 seconds with hopefully a new high. So. Can fun please open up soon, please? All right, I'm watching cat here to enter. It needs to clear. Again, 230, even 250 is the safest entry here. Again, has a gap. The gap starts at 203 on cat.
Department of Transportation says FAA faulted for American Airlines maintenance oversight.
Okay, there it is.
That's I believe my $88.
Ooh, those are expensive. Come on, EA. 45 seconds here left on EA. There we go. Beautiful rebound. Bros, BROS. So you still hold Bros, right?
Yeah, I still have equity.
Okay, cool. Yeah. What we got that at IPO price, so okay, EA. Now go. Get out. Get on. Do it. 143.50 if you have longs next week, maybe. There we go. There we go. Hey, yep. There we go. That was a pain in the ass. 142.50, target right above us. Baba needs to go ahead and get a move on. I think below this wick, 180, 181. I'll go ahead and just weeklies. They got a dip. If you're in Tesla, crackhead energy right now, and if fun could open up, that would be wonderful. There it is, 142.50. That's 13% on EA. Let's see if we can go ahead and clear 142.50. I did not know. Cat, no, it has not got an entry. I'm not nope, I can't say that. Okay, Baba, sorry. If you're in Baba, that's I kind of wanted a good pop up there. If you're in weeklies, it's good. It's about to TP. All right, EA Sports. I want 30%.
Yeah, did you play your phone or DWAC today?
Perfect. Okay. I just took a Dim. Oh, you did trade today? Okay. By the way, any more with this end? $12K on DWAC and $6K on fun. Okay, hold on 1 second. I don't know why I'm taking the time to do this. There we go. Okay. 142.60 on EA Sports. Small accounts, you're in the game. Oh God. There's a lot of people asking if they should get out of DWAC.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, dude. You guys, if any of you guys had bought at 170 anywhere, anywhere in these can't like,
Yeah,
I would like to interview you. Maybe you really need some. Oh my God. Jesus, 47% on EA. Bim, are you in EA?
Okay, you have runners left? All right, go ahead and take profit on them, though. Go ahead and take profit on them, man. If you're green on them, take profit on them. Not financial advice, just my opinion.
EA Sports. It's in my games. That's 66% on EA right there. If you guys would like to go ahead, 143 was my target. So you guys can sell. I think we break 143, but we're gonna see right here in the next few minutes, but we will slow down here relatively soon. Baba, are we in Baba? Is anybody in Baba right now? I would go ahead and look at TPing here before you get to this previous high. You will sharply reject. Okay, your premiums will get whacked. So please go ahead.
You know, I hope John got in.
John?
Okay, one thing about DWAC.
There, I'm out. Sorry.
And I go pay and top, like, let's see the total here.
Order
let's see
filled.
it's one
I'm out.
So don't be that greedy.
Exactly. Order filled.
All right, Baba's out. Out of Baba. Totally out of Baba. Good job. Did anybody get Baba? No Baba?
Hey, you are gonna vote Trump in 2024?
You talking about me?
Might as well now, bro.
All right, I'm happy with 52% here. Nice. Okay. Good job on EA. If you guys are still in, great. It still has a little bit of juice in it to go break 143.
CSCW. CSCW. It's MSFT.
DSTW.
No. Color star.
Yeah, good, Thor. No shit, it's popping.
Oh wow, EA is gonna go again. Never mind. EA is gonna go break 143. You what?
Georgie, it's got a 30. You see that drop on the daily?
They had offering at 0.5, I think, or something like 0.7.
It was already on the suit.
Yeah.
Okay.
So real quick, if you guys have ever heard me talk about gaps, if it's on an hourly or daily time frame, if I'm day trading or scalping, usually I'm going to be out 50% of that gap. And right now,
Boeing, Fitch revises Boeing's outlook to stable, affirms its BBB at 3 ratings. That's BA Bravo Alpha.
you sure it's not Barney Alpha? Watch the wick fill. I had a BA actually hit my target. Did anybody scout BA this morning? Somebody asked me about it. I gave him a target on that one. So
The CNTX is pulling back. I'll be loading anywhere below 6. So adding more to my position below 6.
I wonder if you want to keep an eye on Astra Space, ASTR.
Yeah, we got in what last week or the week before.
So if you guys have any questions, yeah, I'll mute myself on. Oh, there's 143 on EA Sports. Let's go. Sorry. If you guys are in EA, I hope somebody's making money. But that's sick right there. Good job if you got it, or if you're in.
They're holding fun for a really long time, bro.
Yeah, can this stop?
Okay.
Anybody in EA? This guy trades Shib. Come here, bro. Let me give you a kiss. Cool. I would definitely think about taking profit. You just hit my price target of 143.50 on EA. I would highly recommend to go ahead and if it's with obviously that's my target. That's why I took the play to take that target. So that's is what I'm doing. Yeah,
Well,
funds.
but-
Yeah, it's gonna do that. Oh man, it's just short city now, baby. And whoever just shorted the top at 175, rich.
I took one share short.
Oh my god.
Just one.
The
Just-
broker who filled that was like, who is this guy?
He's like, why is he shorting one share?
Speculation. I just want to see.
I do it. Sometimes I do it just for fun, like just for the hell of it. Because I'm like, well, it's not really risking a ton of cash. It's just see if I get the fucking entry correct, and that's it.
Maybe even get a fun little margin call or something. You know.
I'm one share. Come on, dear.
I just they don't give out miniature margin calls. What?
It would have to go like $1,000 for me to get the margin call on one share.
Yo, I'm sorry. There's EA. Good first entry. Good TP there. Good second entry. Good TP there. It is blowing my target out of the water. I will wait for a pullback. We'll look at it and reevaluate it. But absolutely phenomenal job, everybody, on EA today. So if you guys got in there and you got your money, good job. Tesla is gone, 910.
It bounced nicely at 651 CMPS.
Oh, hey.
Going again.
Hey, Georgie.
Yes.
Roblox.
I see CNTX, nice bounce off that point, Georgie. I bought a little bit on that dip. I just got your DM. I'm gonna reply to you real quick. Give me 1 second.
Roblox just doesn't have great volume.
No, I'm looking at it right now, but it's making a good move, dude.
Yeah, it's looks.
Yesterday, what happened?
It actually it made a it completely reversed back into a daily support. So it broke support and then just reverted back into it. So
There was no news off that movement yesterday midday?
I don't remember. No, I didn't see anything.
Okay, let me see if I can find something.
It looks like it's gonna go for the previous high of day, 83.75. I'll take it there. I usually don't like to take a breakout on there. Be careful. What?
Sorry, go ahead.
No, you're fine.
No,
I'm good.
no, go ahead. It's not important.
Oh, I was just gonna say, Cat is probably too heavily consolidated to actually take any play on that one. So yes, I haven't really seen anything there that makes me want to buy it.
I was gonna say the only reason maybe Roblox ran like that is the whole metaverse thing, because apparently they're gonna be involved heavily in it.
That would, yeah, that would definitely cause a run on that. Anything VR. Nvidia. Speaking of, Nvidia is trying its hardest weekly with low volume approaching a previous high of 231.32. You said ATVI. If it ripped, I'm gonna peep. Oh my god. That's okay.
TES.
Damn, it ran with it ran. It ran. Well, we can watch for a good swing in the next week. I do.
BLNK, Blink Charging, seeing some fall activity now. The October 32 fall sweep. October 29th fall sweep.
CNTX, nice.
Below BLNK.
Yo, EA Sports. I got FOMO.
You know, anti-ES, we had a deal. That's why it's on it.
And who, Georgie?
NetEase.
Oh, I didn't even know that. I've never heard that thing.
It's anti-ES.
Yeah, I never heard of it before.
Yo, I'm a little confused here. Okay,
What?
is A and B running? What is running? Okay, ASML. Help me find a share or a semiconductor stock that's running, because semiconductor ETF is going and it's filling a gap.
Mosey, NVIDIA, LEDS,
MU.
MU,
There we go.
and then Taiwanese semiconductor, TSM.
TSCM, right? Too? Isn't there a TS? No,
TS.
Yeah.
Harry Sam
mommy.
Molly.
Oh,
Molly TSM.
I said mommy.
Oh God. Not again.
Look at the volume. Oh yeah.
Um,
Look at the volume on Blink.
LEDs, LEDs, that was choppy. Nvidia's up.
Tesla, come on, fucker. That's funny. Robinhood stopped buying on CNTX, dude. Be careful.
Are you fucking kidding me?
You want? Let's write him an angry letter. Let's do it.
Where'd you find that?
I didn't find it.
Here,
Oh,
$2.
It's in the chat.
November, Victor Foxtrot Yankee.
Did anybody get BABA or EA
Oh,
anybody
fractional shares.
today?
Fractional.
If you guys have any,
Hey,
oh sorry, go ahead.
Steve, do me a favor. Steve will let you buy a whole share, not fractional.
Ooh, cat with the double top.
It does? All right, then yeah, that doesn't bother me. Fractional doesn't, yeah, I don't. You know why? So they'll stop fractional if they don't have enough shares to give out. That means that the float's getting locked up. My target on CNTX is a little bit north of 10.
Some of you have some less of the semiconductors. So you just keep them.
Yeah, I'm still in fun. I can't get out. The fucking
ALL, American
they're gonna
Airlines.
stink this sucker. But that as
soon as this thing opens up, get everybody. If you're in fun, get the fuck out.
yeah, because it's gonna fucking sink with DWAC.
Yeah.
And dude, you should have heard me. I literally huh?
Funds of mine. No, the warrants. Sorry.
The warrants are running?
No, the warrants, they are going down as well.
Okay.
But,
Well,
Yeah.
with fun, I was actually really stoked. I thought Georgie was like, it's halted, and it wasn't. It literally ticked up one last time. I TP'd and it dumped. Like it went from 24
Right after.
to in a second, $18. I was like, I felt like I don't know, I felt like Michael Jordan.
That buzzer beater 3.
Nailed it. The Dow is pushing up right now, and it looks like financials. Look at Apple, dude. I think we might pull back here. Futu. Oh wow. Georgie's still holding that. Yeah, that thing's got some juice. That could go to 77, past 75. Good volume. Futu, yeah. It's curling on the momentum, but it looks okay. Yeah, it's so weird. The semiconductors like Nvidia just hit the top. It's about to go hit support right now. It's gonna go Nvidia's gonna bounce at 230.
Hey, see, you know how you told me right now that Robinhood won't let you buy fractionals? Can you send me a screenshot of what it's showing when you try to buy a fractional share? If you don't mind.
Okay. If you're asking about DWAC at this point in time, guys, it is the story is closed, right? The book's been shut. I don't know about you guys, but every time that the 175
SPYW, Sky West says it's working to restore normal operations on Friday. Sandy Kilo Yankee Whiskey.
unless something changes, I can only imagine seeing DWAC continuing to downtrend here. Everything, yeah. Once it's think of it like a battle, really. Once the shorts get a hold of it at a certain level and they start to pick up momentum, just like to the upside, it's the same story. They literally just took it from 175 and now they just dropped it to $88. All right, so if you didn't have a target when you entered, take this as a lesson. To always have a target and always set yourself up to either whether that be run or leave runners. But yeah. Can we get a fund open? Anybody? Can someone call fund investor relations and see if they,
136, you see,
Just at 36.
36, 39 now.
who is?
And
Oh, 8. No, 8. Oh, the
136.
ward. The ward. Sorry. The stock's back in the 90s now.
I have it. Yeah, in the 90s. Oh, come on, fund. Let me sell you, please.
I'm green on my one short. Yeah, I got one short at 160. One share.
Oh,
Don't do that, bro.
PROD. Hey, Progenity is halted. Yeah, this is that young dingus whatchamacallit. This thing is supposed to go here to $3 and I had a target. Yeah, I wouldn't chase that one.
I think they updated the short interest today. They go high short interest a lot of more.
Oh my god, damn.
Yeah, they did.
Damn. Tell me about eBay?
Uh,
Yo, eBay is ripping. What are other fuck. What is there anything else? Etsy? Is Etsy running? No.
Search PayPal.
yeah,
Etsy's moving.
I would get
Bro,
I-
the way they're holding fund, this bitch isn't gonna open up till fucking May.
yes.
Language, Captain.
Sorry.
Yo, thank you, those of you guys on YouTube and stuff like that for we're almost at 6,000 subs. Those of you guys on TikTok, if you guys don't mind, if you guys want to see it, we're live on YouTube all the time, aftermarket, pre-market. Make sure to go hit that subscribe and catch us next time, Sunday, more than likely. So, opinion on Bitto, it's gonna follow Bitcoin. I'm cold. Go get a blanket. My body.
I'm in Bitto. I'm down 2%. Or 1.5% actually.
When is Papa talking?
Pop-up shopping?
No, Papa talking.
What?
Papa Pal. Sorry.
Oh, gotcha. Sorry.
I think that was at 10:30, right? Yeah.
So,
Eleven a.m. Okay, so we're getting close to that time. You're gonna see investors start slowing down, I think, in my opinion. We need some juice. You're right, we do. We need some juice. Trade Station, and if you have Trading View and Trade Station, I think you can link them, but I stream, so I don't want. The link is in my bio for everything. Make sure I'll tweet out everything. My chart, the scanner, this guy that you're listening to, I use Benzinga Pro. Link is in my bio.
You can make trade after a circuit breaker home, Romeo.
I just got a really good idea. I think what I'm gonna do, since my elbow is always on the stream, I'm gonna get all of my links tattooed on the back of my elbow, and then I don't have to turn around anymore. You know, big brain time. Sell some space. You can. I have seen people do that. I've never seen it in real life, but I know in overseas countries they had like pregnant women with like fake advertisements on their bellies. Well, not fake average, they're real, but like, yeah. Watching a video below 230 to go back down to VWAP. Anybody who's a scalper. I'm sitting on cash right now. Although I kind of thought about shorting TSM because it looks like it's about to sink down to pre-market lows, 115. No, there's not enough profit right there. What else has good volume right now? The volume on Snap is insane. Did you buy the dip, Georgie? No, I'm ready to sell. I'm ready to sell fun as soon as it opens. Like, there's literally, you could limit it. I mean, I don't know where it's going to open personally. I have a feeling it might be 14. It might be lower. If you look at DWAC, it could follow DWAC and go all the way back down to 8. So I can't guarantee anything. But Roblox just is moving. What is Roblox doing? Okay, Roblox just, anybody take Roblox? Somebody just signaled that in the chat. I think it was Justin. It's my first week with PotterStocks, and this is my best investment I've made in a long time. I wish I would have found this earlier. Thank you, PotterStocks. Oh, dude. Yeah, man. Of course. All of these guys here, we make for a pretty good team, I think. We do some things, you know, some good things. We play earnings sometimes, some bad things, you know. DWAC. Yeah, they want people to buy it. They're like, oh, you can buy the dip. Yeah, it's tapping where buyers are sitting. You got buyers sitting at the zone 91. So you could have shorts covering. Think about it. They just shorted a company at 175 and were able to probably TP around $92. So yeah, I would probably speculate that one. I don't like that low volume breakout on Roblox, guys. I would urge you guys to be very careful on that one.
It's falling to the low 80s before bouncing again back a lot now around 107. That's Delta Whiskey Alpha Charlie. The high for the day was 175 on Delta Whiskey Alpha Charlie DWAC. Speaker Pelosi says a deal on spending is close.
All right. No, 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 I'm not. Guys, I would just leave it alone. Once you see a stock move like that, you guys got a 800% today alone. DWAC round up. Day 13 of calling PotterStocks Q. Okay. Thank you for that. Yuck. Oh, there it is. We're open. Get out. I'm out. It might bounce here, but let me get fun. Oh god. It's all good. That's why I TP'd almost all of it, and they're still up 50%. Come on, bounce back up like fucking DWAC. Just give us a little bounce right here. Shorts covering, right? Yeah. It's going to help on earnings, I think.
All right, I'm out of my last small position of fun.
Surprising that one's not reversing and bouncing.
Well, fun.
Yeah, I would imagine to see like a little bounce, you know.
I bet you a ton of people went short right there at the top.
Oh yeah, dude, $24, absolutely. It should bounce here. Here it goes. There it goes. You got to see that. I think that the bounce on DWAC is shorts covering. I bet you if you go look at the orders at the top, you'll see the same orders damn near at the bottom probably. Now you're gonna see as it pumps back up, you're gonna see people start to that were holding the bag or got in at this level. They're gonna start TPing to break even. There's DWAC. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and get out of a fund, excuse me. And I am out.
Order filled.
All right. That's good for me. I TP'd almost all of it at the top, literally at the freaking top. So money on that one. Yep.
Yo, DWAC halted up. Fun halted up.
If DWAC moves above the high of today, I will walk away from my computer and I might not even say the word.
It's just sitting there.
Nobody knows what to do at this point. They're like, wait, is it really gonna go back up? Yo, did anybody take that Nvidia short? Did anybody take that? That was money. Anybody take the Nvidia short? You did? Okay. So those of you guys, like I like to reiterate myself on this, like those of you guys who are in here, the goal is to obviously to get you guys to be able to see what we see and to be able to do it yourself. And so with that, with NVIDIA, or excuse me, with stuff like that, I'm not always going to take it. I'm going to tell you what I see, and it's up to you to go and execute. And that will help you build your confidence. If you can look at something, see what somebody sees, and then be able to take it and execute that trade, that's a pretty good goal right there, especially with those day trades. Cat, man, we saved ourselves on that. MAGA is making my TOS though. Can we short something? What's dying today? Let me go look at my here, let's go look at our Benzinga Pro together. Let's go highlight new lows. New 52-week low. How about new low day series? XP made a new low day. I don't know what that is. Bitcoin's dying. I mean, do you guys remember I tweeted out, I had somebody DM me too with a laughing face, but I tweeted out that Bitcoin, when it broke all-time highs, every single one of its indicators was overbought. The RSI was overbought. The MACD was maxed out and looking like it was going to sell. Volume dissipated. And I think last night or day before last night, I told you guys that we would see a retest of 6150 or 61.5. And maybe even potentially 6. A breakout retest is not a terrible thing. eBay, Tim, is going for high a day again. So I'm just watching it with you now. Yeah, you guys remember that? Yep, we're exactly there. So what a day. You guys having a good day? Sorry, YouTube. I need to go look at YouTube. Sorry, YouTube. I actually turned off my live screen. I didn't realize that. Why am I having to watch my ads on my own video? There you go. Oh, QR. Dude, someone said get a QR code tattooed on the back of my arm. Yo, Mo.
That would be interesting for sure.
Alondra, thanks for being on since 5 a.m., bruh. Oh, you must be on the other side of the coast. I was like, damn, were you watching me this morning? Alondra? This is a great. Go ahead.
Are you up?
Steaks tonight? Thank you, drumsticks. One last bite of a Trump steak. Sorry. Oh, man. What platform do you use for trading? Right now, the small account is happening on Webull, which is, hold on one second. I need to go look. Oh, I have buying power? Oh, I have like a whole buy. I have a whole bunch of buying power on there. Yeah, we're up 12% on the small account today. So Sony and those guys are probably just going to expire worthless. That didn't move the way that I wanted it to, but I am going to reposition myself, I think, on Sony going into next week. So
PIXY should be getting up to the highs on volume.
P
India X-ray Yankee PIXY.
Pixie shift pick. Hey, that one's just popping right there. That's probably a low float. Yeah, that one. That was been a long time since that one pumped, dude. Looks like the average pump you get $2.55 to $4. Here we go $2.87 to $4 again. You could see a little pump here on Pixie. I don't know if they have news or if this is social media or whatever. It's running though. Do you want to trade it?
As soon as let me see if I can find some news.
I'm looking right now. Oppenheimer maintains outperform on service now, raises price target to 775. That's a pretty good price target.
Yeah.
Nvidia going for low of day below 229. Those of you watching Nvidia below 229, and I would say 229.15. Remember, we let candles open, we let candles close. Excuse me. We can't do anything about candles opening. But below that level, I see the target of 28.50, 28.27. Amazon dumping, dude, like dumping. Yeah.
Yo, fun back up.
Yeah, I see that. I TP'd at a good time, so I'm still okay with that one, but
Yeah.
that's a little sad.
Uh,
Wow, I missed the dump on Amazon right there.
70 Amazon can fall to 33.33.
It's gonna bounce and chop, I think, for a few, but we are running into the meeting, so yeah, we gotta watch. That one. Why am I only getting price target upgrades? I feel like I'm not getting news. What?
Oh shit!
What?
I accidentally almost dropped my laptop.
Isn't that the work one, dude?
Yeah, no, I almost dropped my work laptop.
Oh yeah, I mean, give it a little push, dude. Working system. They need to step it up there. I didn't buy Pixie, no, guys. I'm not in Pixie. eBay is looking like it wants to do something, go touch 80 or something, but I'm not touching that either. Shorts are sitting at 140 on Pixie, so I'm okay. Let's go look at other stuff. Microsoft, are you dying? Nope, but Microsoft did bounce off support. Guys, I have a really interesting setup here on Microsoft. If Microsoft falls below 308 today, I'm anticipating a drop to 306.50. Amazon is killing you? What happened with are you long on Amazon? Like shares or something like that? Oh, ooh, okay. That is where I would recommend finding some type of hedge for yourself, you know. Talk to Atlas about covered calls or something, but I don't know what the price target downgrade upgrade was. So
What's your average on your shares?
this one's gonna go to 35.50.
I don't know. You have a lower average to where it's trading.
Wait, PROG? This one, yo, go ahead. Sorry. Did you just buy it just now? Fuck. Hold on a second. Yeah, 33.50. Sorry. Damn, that thing is absolutely dumping. Look at the calls. 270. I do not like PROG. It literally hit my target of 335. I had 335 target. I'd said that almost 3 or 4 weeks ago. And if you look at the daily time frame and where we're at, we are at downtrend, and we are at and rejected the 200-day EMA for the second time. And you also approach this resistance at a lower volume rate, so probably worth it to, yeah. Oh, Papa Smirk, thanks, man. Oh, nice.
But let's just
Yo.
new one from around 90 to 100. So in
That's fucking hilarious, bro. That's such a clean move. Bro, Amazon's bleeding.
Dude, I have 3350. I just I can't. I don't want to ever. I'm at. I don't. Yeah, I can't signal something like that. You know, it's fucking. It's risky. It's too risky. But you know, yo, someone said the QR thing. Someone said I'll tattoo it. Check out the artwork on my channel. I've been tattooing for 15 years. I know. I shouldn't have said something. How can I follow? In the community as PotterStocks. Couldn't find you in the community. I'm live in Discord every day. Is the fun over? I think so. I think so. I think shorts are climbing back in. Yeah, as soon as we break 377, which I don't, I do imagine you'll see chop first, bounce, but that's my target. Did you? All right, SQ. Yeah, they're doing price targets and stuff like that right now.
Garrett,
Yes.
Kroger,
Ooh.
just pop up on my scanner.
That's a beautiful breaking down trend, Georgie. I see $41 by next week, which would be the retest of the very formidable and respectable 4-hour 200-day EMA.
They have ex-dividend date 12th of November, so I expect to run that date.
Okay.
So,
Any sympathy runners on that one too?
no, look, if you go to this, you always see how the stock runs for the ex-dividend date.
Okay. Oh yeah, I see. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're right. Then maybe even 41.50. What did the long falls look like on that? Like, here, let's go look. Kroger. I wouldn't want to go any shorter than November 19th on that one. November 19th, $41 calls.
Pelosi says we have a couple of outstanding issues that just need a decision on Biden's social spending bill after White House meeting.
Oracle's seeing a little 5-minute turnaround here, which is a rejection off of 97.52. You could, if you're long on those, then you could see, of course, the end of the day will be tell all, but you could see a bounce there. So I would say if, Kroger, 41.50, yeah, it looks good running into dividends. That's a good find.
Michael Bass Holdings, Michael Victor Sandy Tango shares spiking here.
Who is that? There is absolutely no way that Microsoft rebounds here, but if it does, what do you?
Microvast is a battery manufacturer in Houston, Texas. Share is spiking to a high of $8.25.
Yeah, November 19th. Yo, year to date, yo, Manny's made 28 racks off of Zoom this year. That's crazy. Just Zoom alone. Watch NVIDIA here for a bounce back up above 229 to go and return to high of day around 231. Only with good volume. Do we go? Hold on a second. Which means that if NVIDIA goes up, that could mean that we see the correlating ETFs go and fill that gap. So SOX, which has rejected and is pulling back, retesting 466, still has a gap to fill to 471. Look at the day trading forearm muscle. Oh my god. That actually is really funny.
Yo, DWAC added options?
Sure.
That's what, no, not on my end. That's what, fucking Bitcoin.
What?
He said that they added options, and I believe them.
Only lies.
They would go all in.
Yeah, we would have, you're right.
Except, YOLO.
XLO IPO is open now.
XLO. Xilio. Oh my god. That thing.
There's
Whoa.
priced at 16. That's X-ray Lima Oscar.
It just looks crazy because there's only one candlestick.
Therapeutics XLO.
All right. Hey, okay, this is gonna be a little bit risky on NVIDIA. I'm gonna go ahead.
Sorry.
NVIDIA above 228.30 or 228.85 right here. You guys see? Wait, hold on. Shit, what did I just do? Oh, okay. So right here, above that mark, I'm gonna take it up to 231. The volume isn't spiking the way that I would like, so but I've got my finger on the trigger here. Yo, Kroger is ripping off of that. Are you gonna take that, or did you already take it? Okay. I'm gonna grab that 41.50. So that's Kroger, November 19th. $41 call.
Order filled.
Be a good swing, I think. Have a good stop loss set. I think for me, a stop loss is back below a daily candle close below 30 or 40. Did I really just say Etsy and then walk away? I know better than that. It's not moving up a very good volume though. I see a potential pullback here coming if it doesn't spike in volume to break over 240. You can't break 240 with that volume. It's hold. Okay, there we go. UPS. I saw that one this morning. I do think that if you have a smaller account, Kroger could be interesting to play for a good long. Yeah, UPS is nonstop. Holiday season. Oh, yeah, you got 204.55, 205 for sure. Etsy actually could pull back here anywhere below 230, 239, back to VWAP. UPS lovely, $55 to 200. That's awesome. That's awesome. Hey, Roblox still sitting there kind of fighting to go up. Watch Roblox trying again. Microsoft trying again. Okay, NVIDIA. There we go. Why am I hearing a repeat of myself? Alrighty. So NVIDIA, this is going to be anybody with a scalpers, you could watch the 230 contracts to just pop right into the money at 77 cents. And that right there, you see this little mark that I have. Also, Roblox is going. So right here on NVIDIA, let's see, bottom right hand corner of my screen, I'm waiting for this mark here. So right there. And I'll go ahead and take this one for a return to a higher day. So probably about 231.
AFRM, a firm holding now spiking here to the highs. Alpha Foxtrot Romeo Michael.
This is a breaking down trend on a firm. Inverse head and shoulders on the hourly. Watch the 160s. Shit.
Are you watching the film?
I am right now. Yeah. Shit. That's not what I meant to do. There goes Roblox pushing up. Yeah, I just grabbed a firm 160 call. I got two of them. I don't have a lot, so. Come on, NVIDIA. There's NVIDIA. There's a firm. There's a firm. Hey, yuck. Thanks for that, Charlie. That's why I love Benzinga Pro. Link at the bio.
Fed's Powell says cannot rule out another COVID spike this winter.
COVID spike this winter.
Who said that? You guys remember that shit?
Speaking,
Zoom.
Yeah. Yes.
says our view is high inflation is likely to abate.
Watch a firm back down.
Powell says, I think job growth will move back to high levels of last summer, but could take longer than we think, longer than we thought.
Be careful with whatever you're in right now.
Powell
Anything
says
from
that
Powell could
supply
sink shit.
Constraints have gotten worse in some cases recently.
25% on the firm. Oracle kind of wants to hold, guys, staying really bullish.
Fed's Powell, Fed Chair Powell speaking today at the Virtual Bank for International Settlements, South African Reserve Bank Centenary Conference. That's Fed Chair Powell speaking now. Says still expect inflation to move back down close to 2% goal.
Yo, a firm is gassing right now. Let's go. Remember, small accounts, anybody, you got it. Don't be greedy. You're up. If anybody just grab that with me, it's 60% right there. So
Michael.
I just set a limit order at 145, just in case. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Nice.
Very nice. Yeah.
Patient.
Yeah.
You should hold short gold.
Manny says short gold.
I say this because inflation is gonna fall down. It's gold is dumping.
Good point. Volume skyrocketing here on a firm. We need to go ahead and break 158, and I think we'll see 160 pretty easily. I've got my order ready to sell if we don't. Watch for those bids to clear. 158. Volume is pushing. Shorts can't get it. Buyers are stronger here at this level. There they are. There they are. Let them clear. Let them clear. They're clear. Yuck. That's 92%. And we take profits on small accounts into strength. Right? No? Okay, you don't want to fill? Hey, you're not allowed to do that. Chill, my guy. Oh, we did it. Okay, we're out. I just trimmed out right there. Small accounts. Do your trimming into strength. Remember this. Weeklies are going to always be more profitable and easier to sell. I used this metaphor the other day. If you think about it in terms of like a market, like a legitimate market, there goes the rest. All right, if you guys are in a firm, there goes the rest.
Order rejected.
Okay, hold on. You can't sell orders twice. That's not loud.
Order rejected.
All right, hold on. Please let me sell my order.
Order filled.
Okay. That was fun.
BBIG, Vinco Ventures shares getting a little pop here, $5.33. Bravo, Bravo, India Golf, BBIG.
I'm sweating. I am in Jamie. I grabbed a downside position. What is the Discord you're in? How much is Benzinga Pro? They have multiple different plans. Hit the link in my bio if you want to listen to Benzinga Pro. Don't forget to order a pizza. Are we gonna have a pizza party? Nope, I'm not. Webull doesn't have the PDT rule. That's why if you want to use Webull for like the small account, of course, I always recommend to use a better broker. I'm just messing around. Like, well, I'm actually, I really do want to take this more. I want to, do better on the account. But I'm up 17% for the day, $74. Yesterday was a $228 day. I still have almost all of my buying power, so I'm good on that. Watch Nvidia down, by the way. If anybody's watching Nvidia below 229 to 228.50. Looks like we're gonna go down.
Look at the gold gun.
Do not doubt Georgie. God dang, look at that. Gosh, oh my God, shorted. Did you tell Manny? Manny short gold? Yeah, I have a cash account. Yes, I got out of a firm. Yes, I got out. Yes, I literally just TP'd right there at 50, right there at the top, 59.80. It could go again. It's popping up. There's another chance. Go to the 5-minute. You see, we rejected 160 on the dot. The next level above 160 is 160.85. Of course, 161. But
Yes.
at that point, you'd be cruising into all-time highs, which at that point, buyers will, I'm sure, take over. And you have psychological targets to the upside at that point that you could be watching for. Like, hold on a second. Roblox moving. All right, you ready for Garrett's? Who?
Gold. It's still something.
Oh my God, gold. Oh, that thing needs some milk. I'm watching it. CFDs. All right, you guys want to hear something crazy? I really kind of think that a firm might go to 170. Not today, but I think it could go to 170. I really do. I'm looking at the angle right here on that resistance. Main sword, like, yeah, of course I did. So it's flagging, guys. Don't sleep on a firm. You might have a break of high a day. I'm gonna set an alert there. But that was a beautiful exit, guys, on a firm. Good stuff. All right. Well, it is 11:15. I have I'm not. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna get off. But I'm gonna just chill. I'm probably not gonna take any more trades. I'm just gonna be watching, listening to what Pal says, and setting alerts on certain things. Right now, I'm watching. The only thing that I'm watching Oracle, and I'm keeping firm on my watch list for a potential swing. But that was a beautiful scalp, my friends. Beautiful, beautiful scalp. So.
As Sheriff Powell says, we are on track to begin our taper.
Paper. Not that. Not a taper. Yeah, Sony was bonk, man. Unfortunately, it did none of the above. But Sony, okay, Oracle. Is anybody in Oracle calls? I know someone said. Manny is shorting. He's in futures, if I'm not mistaken. Or yeah, it's trading futures. So. Microsoft down. There goes Nvidia. Okay. Ooh, Dad. I just almost scalping. Hold on. Fuck. I'm sitting in my chair like a crow. 227.50s. Those are far out of the money. Scalping 227.50 puts. October 22nd. I just entered into Nvidia. Scalp. 220.50.
Order fill.
I'm out. That was sexy. That was 30% in a minute. Damn, I just pulled a Manny.
Ticker AFRM 160 calls coming in on the ask, expiring October 29th, approximately $200,000 worth. That's ticker AFRM 160 calls on the ask, expiring next week.
That was a really fast scalp. So you broke my target of 228, and as soon as it pushed down right there, they jumped. Good TP. Yeah, Etsy's gonna go back to VWAP. Oh my god, gold is dumping, dude. Georgie crushing it, man. All right. Wait, did you say I can day trade all? Yeah, you have a cash account on Webull. I have a link in my bio for Webull, so because we're gonna try and grow this little baby account into something that we can hold. What? 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 Affirm. Affirm what? What are you yelling at? The bounce? Yeah, good bounce. This reminds me of a flag potentially, so I'm gonna go invite my daughter into here so she can say hi. You come on. Come here. Yes, baby. Wow. How cool.
Ajax. Shares resume trading now. Shall buy my shares at low $5.93. That's Hotel X-Ray HX.
Nothing. Having a good day. About to get off in a little bit. I was gonna say if she wants to come in, she can. Yeah, that bounce doesn't mean anything. Affirm looks like it's gonna go down. Oh my god. I'm oh shit, man. Someone just said that my setup looks like I'm the final boss of Forex. The fuck? Yeah, you can do that on TOS too, so I think Affirm might pull back, but I'm setting the alert at 158.85. You got your hairband? You look beautiful.
That's why NHCMO's healthy.
Oh, hi.
Number
Hi.
mindful of active now.
Yeah. Oh my god.
That's why it
No, no, no. We do not touch the keyboard. You don't do that. You don't do that. Yo, Amazon, remember what I said? We're about there. Oh my god, she said no. You're really green, dude? Awesome. Let's go. We're green. It's break time for me, guys. So if you, yeah, I got to deal with the kid sounds. All products. You don't think that? not bad. What are you in? What are you in, Slip, that you're holding until
Fed's Powell says it would be premature to raise rates.
Oh. They're not that bad compared to. You're just
You can't keep me. I'll be right back, okay? All right, I'll catch you in 5 or 10 minutes. I'm gonna be out, okay? I'll catch you. Hold it on. All right. UTP Amazon 75%. Let's go. Jeffrey Bezos. What's up? How's it going? All right.
ARIS
So,
IPO
real quick, guys, I'm gonna go talk to.
$15.85, priced at $13. That's Alfa Romeo India Sandy ARIS. That was opening a little while ago.
Spy dump burrito. I love it. Now I really want a short swing. Sony's making a Head and Shoulders. I know some of you guys are like, just stop. Yeah, I grabbed a 33 right when that news and it was breaking. I went ahead and grabbed a 3350. I'm gonna let it go. I say 3325 potentially. That's my ultra aggressive, so aggressive. 3340 is probably softer. Nvidia is going to go bounce here at 226.40, I think. Yeah, if you would like to, I'm gonna hold it and I'm basically gonna average down. Again, I only grabbed one, so I'm not like in a super heavy position, but I also grabbed a downside position. I gave you guys a cut yesterday for Big C, well above where it's at now. So if you guys didn't take profit or excuse me, if you didn't cut that contract, that is exactly where, and with that, you have the Head and Shoulders setup. It is currently trying to hold a support, but is not doing a great job on it. Market conditions are going to obviously be a huge factor at the moment. So I am 16K on Amazon since. No shit. Nvidia, huge Nvidia puts just came out. Time to be a dad. Yep. Alrighty, guys. I'm gonna those of you real quick on Discord, just mute myself. So okay. If you guys are on YouTube, TikTok, I really appreciate you guys hanging out with us. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys were able to make maybe a little bit of money. If you weren't and you're struggling, you can always reach out on our next live. We'll be live Sunday night, probably around 7:30 Eastern time, maybe 8. I will tweet that out on my Twitter, so make sure you guys go and follow the Twitter. That's where I put out all of my updates, and I'd be happy to speak with some of you guys. But yeah, so hopefully you guys had a good day. We played up, down, all around, and made some pretty good cash. So I'm pretty pleased with today. So um But anyway, yeah. So if you guys want to cut a firm on downside, be careful. You're showing a lot of divergence here. You're actually holding a flag while everything else is dumping. EA Sports is trying to hold VWAP. So um, yeah. You guys have a great day. Thank you guys for tuning in. We do have the premium side of the Discord. We'll be posting stuff this weekend. There's a 5-day trial if you guys want to check it out. It's no pressure. If you're brand new, don't spend money on anything. Don't buy anything from anybody. Sit and learn until you feel confident enough to use the tool. The tools are no good if you can't use them. So have a good day. Have a wonderful weekend. Thank you guys so much for the support. Thanks for almost 6,000 subs. Really appreciate it. Bye.